Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you this advice that will help you a lot to clean in an easy and effortless way the burners and other parts of the stove that always get grease stuck to them and are then very difficult to clean. But with this tip they will do it without any difficulty and without spending almost anything. So let's see what we are going to need to do it. We are going to need the burner or the part of the stove that we want to clean. Ammonia is quite toxic, so label it so as not to confuse it and avoid any accidents. A resealable bag to put the stove or whatever we are going to clean. So calculate the size. One of those sponges that have the fiber to clean very well. And lastly, but most importantly, some plastic gloves are like these gardening ones since the ammonia is very strong and can irritate your skin. Now let's see how to clean it. First of all, we put on plastic gloves or, like me in this case, gardening gloves to prevent the ammonia from reaching us and challenging the skin. We take the burner and put it in the resealable bag and take the ammonia previously poured into a bottle that has the spray addition. And we add a good amount to the entire ant. Be very careful not to breathe the ammonia since it is very strong and can irritate your eyes and throat, so if you can, also wear a mask. Once we have added enough, we just seal the bag and let it rest overnight. So do not clean all the burners at once, otherwise you will not be able to use your stove. Make sure it is well sealed so that the ammonia acts better, and if you want, shake it and turn it over so that everything is thoroughly impregnated. I had already left one the day before, so as time passed we grabbed our sponge with the fiber and took out the burner. As you can see, this one was even worse than the one I put in, and you can see how the fat even stands out. But just by passing it with the sponge we will see that it falls off immediately and leaves the surface free of any dirt it may have and without applying almost any effort. Remember to wear gloves since the ammonia is still soaked in. But as you can see in the video, it is very easy to clean and we just card it very well so that it is impeccable. As you can see here, the one on the left is not yet as clean and looks a little more opaque. And the one on the right is the one we cleaned, and as you can see, it looks new and even shines so clean. When you get closer you can see the difference between one and the other in more detail. And as I said, the one on the right is super clean compared to the other one, where you can still see all the dirt that is stuck to it. As you could see, with just a little ammonia and a resealable bag, we can very easily clean the burners or other parts of the stove that always get grease stuck to them and are very difficult to clean. But now they will only have to wait for the product to take effect and the grease will fall off on its own without having to make a great effort, and the best of all is that it is very cheap and easy to get at any tripallery. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.